Hi everyone, let's solve this problem right away. 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 460. This and this are the same, so we can add to get 2 of 2 to the power of x, and this is 460. So to continue with this, we are going to divide this by 2 and divide this by 2 so that this can go there. Now we have 2 to the power of x, and it will be equal to 230. That is, if you divide 460 by 2. Now let's continue. 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 multiplied by 115. Now let's take the log of both sides. Let's put this together. So we have log of 2 to the power of x to be equal to log of 2 multiplied by 115. Close this. Now there is a law I want us to apply. This x here is a power. Since we are looking for the x, it has to go behind. So we have x log 2 equals log 2 times 15, 115 rather. Now we still have our x log 2. Now here we are going to apply product law, or the product rule of logarithm, that if you're multiplying like this, it's the same as log 2 plus log 115. Now if this is the case, I'm looking for the value of x, so I can simply divide this by log 2, divide this by log 2, and this will also be divided by log 2. Now this is going to take this away, and then x will be equal to, now some persons will believe that since this can go into this, there will be nothing left over there. So we now have log 115 divided by log 2, but that is not correct. What we have here is log 2 divided by log 2, so that is going to give 1. Then we add log 115 divided by log 2. Then this right here, both of them are having the same base, which is base 10. So we can just change the base so that 2 here becomes the base to 115. So our x now shall be 1 plus log 115 to the base of 2. Right, so this is what we have as the value of x. And if you can recall, we always verify our result. So let's go to the verification stage so that we can be sure that our answer is correct. The equation is 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 460. So in place of x, I will simply put 1 plus log 115 to the base of 2. So I'm going to have this in 2 places, right? So what I will do now, I want to simplify this so that whatever I have, I will double it, because that is the same thing I should have for this. Okay, to simplify this, these 2 here has 1 as the power, so we have 2 to the power of 1. Then multiply by the same 2, we take the whole of this one to be its power. We now have log 115 to the base of 2, right? Now from here, 2 to the power of 1 is definitely 2, because any number to the power of 1 is itself. Then multiply by here. If you have, okay, let's look at this. Imagine that you have y to the power of log x. and this x is to the same power of y, to the base of y. So this and this are going to nullify each other, so we pick x. So sorry about that. So what we have here is just equal to x. Now the same thing is going to happen here, 2 and 2. So we'll just pick 1, 1, 5, and the log disappears. So we multiply this by 115. So this is equal to 230. And this is for 2 to the power of x alone. Remember that we're having 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x to be equal to 460. Now this 2 to the power of x alone gave us 230. So that means that for this we have 230, then plus here again we'll have the same thing, 230. And definitely when you add these two together, you will have 460. So this is the confirmation that to confirm that our x is truly equal to 1 plus log 115 to the base of 2. Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe so you can get more of my videos as I post a lot there.